Of a QuickTime screencast of how to make a GIF. So the first thing you're going to do to make a GIF is go to Photoshop, and then you're going to click on File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. Then you're going to browse, and you need 3 to 5, possibly about 1 megabyte or less photos. You're going to open those up. You can attempt to align or sync to line them up. Then you're going to hit OK. Now we'll have all our photos and nice little layers over there ready to go. And the next thing we're going to need to do is timeline. I already got mine open there, but you can go Windows Timeline. And then you're going to go create free animation. It might be create video timeline, but we're going to go create frame animation. Hit OK. Just gonna load them in there, hopefully. And then you're gonna click create new layer for each new frame. Or sorry, make frame from layers. There we go. And then we're gonna highlight all of them. And then I'm gonna change it to about 0.5 seconds. Then I'm gonna hit play. Now we got our nice little different background logos for all our Try to Journalism logos. And hit stop so I don't have any panic attack over all the bright colors. Then you're going to go File, Export, Save for Web. Loading. Now you're going to go Original and GIF and just hit Save. And then we got our nice little, make sure it still says GIF at the end. I'll go LH second try logos GIF, and I'll be able to share this onto my wonderful Instagram and social media GIF world. Oh, make sure that your files are small enough so that you have enough memory to do that, but mine should be okay. I'll hit cancel. Then if you go to where you saved it, we can go to desktop. I believe I did small GIF logos. Then we have here, and you'll be able to see our wonderful working GIF.